What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5. And in today's video, guys, we do have an update on Moonriver, which has taken a little bit of a dip in the last 24 hours, just over 5% down, currently valued at $23.70. So we're going to be going through what is next for Moonriver. As you guys can see, over the week it hasn't moved much. It's only dropped 2%, which is again nothing major, but with the way the crypto market is performing right now, on the green side, Bitcoin pumping up to $47,000 earlier on yesterday. Where is this crypto heading to next, and can this pump on Bitcoin have an impact on Moonriver? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video. And is it getting ready for a potential pump over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, and overall in 2024? How high can it go is what I'm going to be going through in today's video, and also covering both buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and we can see that Moonriver has dropped below the SMA indicator here in purple. That means it's not performing too well and lower than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we're not looking too great. We do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from Moonriver over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting Moonriver to have gone for a minimal drop in value. Again, it is going to be very minimal, guys. Also do expect green candles in between, where it's likely to take a little bit of a pump, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side. Dropping just below $23 is what I'm expecting. Reason for that is it did pump up quite a bit the week before. Let's have a look at the monthly chart. As you guys can see, it's done over 215%, guys, in the last month itself. Most of it coming from here in mid to late December, pumping like crazy, going from $6 all the way up to about, let's have a look here, $43, guys, which is a major pump. And right now it is slowly starting to drop down in value. That means it is going through a price correction, but once that is over, I'm expecting it to pump back up. So let's go on to the hourly chart over the next couple of days. What can we see here? The blue and the orange line are still looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, looking quite bearish, guys, meaning more drops in value are expected from Moonriver over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of this week, early next week, the crypto should essentially be dropping down in value to around just over $20 is what my expectations are at the moment. However, that does not mean that it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Do expect green days in between, where it's likely to take a little bit of an increase, a little bit of a pump, but the overall outcome unfortunately seems to be more on the negative side. However, this is only the prediction only for the next week or so, but after that, guys, let's have a look here. Going on to the daily chart, even though yes, we still got the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and it is looking quite steep as well due to the drop that's been taking place over the last 2 to 3 weeks. I am not expecting a major crash from the crypto over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so late February, early March. I'm expecting the crypto to have gone past the $40 mark by that time. Again, Reason for that is I'm expecting the crypto market to be moving towards the bullish side as well over the next 2 to 3 months, and which should have a positive impact on Moonriver as well. So an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from Moonriver over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, potentially heading over $40, near about $50, guys, by the end of Q1 of this year, and by mid-year it should be gone way past about $60 to $70, of course depending on how the crypto market performs, and to be specific, how Bitcoin performs, because Bitcoin more or less has a direct impact on the crypto market going in a bullish or bearish direction. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, earlier on in December it did just about hit the resistance target here of $44. What happened then is it literally just resisted and dropped back down into the red zone. It is likely to drop down a little bit further over the coming week or two and then slowly start to gain value again, and in March I am expecting it to hit the resistance target here, resist a little bit, and potentially break out into the green zone in late March, early April is what my expectations are at the moment from Moonriver. However, this of course depends on how the crypto market performs and if there are any updates on Moonriver as well. So let's go on to the CoinMarketCap website. Here we can see the trading volume has gone up by 5% in the last 24 hours, making it $66 million in trading, which is again not a huge increase in trading. However, it has had a slight impact due to the fact that it did take a little bit of a pump yesterday and slowly starting to drop back down right now. So most people are just holding back. They're not waiting to buy it or sell it. They're holding on to it, waiting for the crypto to either pump up higher or drop down further for them to buy the dip. So at the moment there is not much activity going on when it comes to Moonriver, as it hasn't really been following a similar trend to the crypto market, as most cryptos are pumping right now and are on the green side, except Moonriver and a few other cryptocurrencies. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Moonriver, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, what month in 2024 are you guys expecting Moonriver to be hitting the $50 mark? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And also comment down what is the highest figure you guys are expecting Moonriver to be hitting in 2024. Comment that down below as well, because I've seen a lot of people saying it's going to hit $100. Some even said $1,000, which is out the scale right now, because for the crypto to go from $23 to $1,000 is going to require a major increase in percentage, which I'm not expecting from the crypto at the moment. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace. What is